Dear students, welcome you all to my channel English for Assamese students from basics to brilliance. আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি ক্লাছ 12ৰ ইংলিছৰ চিলেবাছত থকা কিপিং কোৱাইট নামৰ পয়েমটো আলোচনা কৰিম। পয়েমটো লিখিছে কবি পাবলো নেৰুদাই। Born in 1904 in Chile, Neruda was a world famous poet. 1904 চনত চিলিত জন্মগ্ৰহণ কৰা নেৰুদা আছিল এজন বিশ্ববিখ্যাত কবি। His real name was Ricardo Eliezer Neftali Reis. তেওঁৰ প্ৰকৃত নাম আছিল ৰিকাৰ্ডো এলিয়েছাৰ নেফথালি ৰেজ। In the poem Keeping Quiet, Pablo Neruda urges his readers to take a moment of silence by counting to 12 and staying still. কবিয়ে এই কবিতাটোত আমাক অলপ সময়ৰ বাবে মৌন হৈ থাকিবলৈ কৈছে। He believes that this pause will help us reflect on our actions, stop violence, and understand ourselves as well as others better. কবিৰ বিশ্বাস আছে যে এনেদৰে মৌন হৈ থাকিলে আমি আত্মবিশ্লেষণ কৰিব পাৰিম আৰু নিজৰ লগতে আনকো উপলব্ধি কৰিব পাৰিম। Now let's read the poem line by line. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. আমি এতিয়া স্থিৰ হৈ থাকি 12লৈকে গণনা কৰিম। In these two lines, the poet suggests that we take a short pause and count to 12 and become completely still and silent. Here, 12 is a symbolic number like 12 hours or 12 months. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Here, in these two lines, the poet asks everyone across the world to stop talking, to go beyond all languages, divisions, and differences, and experience universal silence. তেওঁ ভাষা ধৰ্ম নিৰ্বিশেষে পৃথিৱীৰ সকলো মানুহকে মাত্ৰ এবাৰ মৌনতা অৱলম্বন কৰিবলৈ আহ্বান জনাইছে। Let's stop 1 second and not move our arms so much. Here, the poet wants us to stop all physical and violent movement for just a moment, to reflect rather to act. কবিয়ে আমাক মাত্ৰ অলপ সময়ৰ বাবে সকলো ধৰণৰ শাৰীৰিক গতিবিধি আৰু হিংসুক কাম কাজ বন্ধ কৰাৰ কথা কৈছে। It would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. Without the noise or machines or the rush of life, such a moment of silence would feel unusual or exotic, very rare and beautiful. কল কাৰখানাৰ মেচিনৰ তথা ব্যস্ততাপূৰ্ণ জীৱনৰ অন্যান্য হুলস্থুলৰ অবিহনে এনে এটা সময় খুবেই সুন্দৰ হৈ পৰিব। We could all be together in a sudden strangeness. This quiet pause would unite people across the world in a strange but powerful feeling of peace and togetherness. এই মৌন সময়খিনিয়ে পৃথিৱীৰ সকলো মানুহকে এক আচৰিত কিন্তু শক্তিশালী একতা আৰু শান্তিৰ দোলেৰে বান্ধি পেলাব। Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales. The poet gives examples of how silence can stop harm. Fishermen would stop killing whales. This shows that silence helps us become more human. In the same note, Neruda goes on to say that, and a man gathering salt would look at his hard hands. Those laborers who gather salt from sea would now get time to take care for themselves. শ্ৰমিকবোৰে এতিয়া নিজৰ যত্ন ল'বলৈ সময় পাব। Those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire. The poet here refers to destructive wars with gas and fire. He says that these wars are even against nature because they kill people and leave no winners. ইয়াত কবিয়ে যুদ্ধৰ সংহাৰী ৰূপৰ কথা কৈছে। তেওঁ কৈছে যে গেছ আৰু জুইৰ এই যুদ্ধবোৰে প্ৰকৃতিক ধ্বংস কৰিছে। Would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. According to the poets, if these people pause, they might become peaceful, change their behavior, and walk calmly with others, living like brothers, not enemies. কবিৰ মতে এই যুদ্ধত লিপ্ত হৈ থকা মানুহবোৰে যেতিয়া স্থিৰ হৈ ৰৈ যাব তেওঁলোকৰ আচাৰ ব্যৱহাৰ সলনি হ'ব আৰু তেওঁলোকে শত্ৰুৰ দৰে নহয় ভাতৃৰ দৰে থাকিবলৈ ল'ব। What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Here, the poet clarifies his stand by saying that he is not asking us to stop living or working altogether. কবিয়ে কৈছে যে তেওঁ আমাক চিৰদিনৰ বাবে স্থিৰ হ'বলৈ কোৱা নাই। তেওঁ কাম কাজ কৰা বাদ দিবলৈও কোৱা নাই। Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. The poet here celebrates life. He is not promoting death or laziness. His message is peaceful reflection, not permanent stillness. If we were not so single minded about keeping our life moving and for once could do nothing, the poet says that we are too focused on moving forward, achieving everything, that we work non stop. The poet asks if at least for once we could stop and did nothing. কবিয়ে কৈছে যে আমি সদায় সফলতাৰ পাছত নন ষ্টপ দৌৰি আছো। আমি মাত্ৰ এবাৰ একো নকৰাকৈ ৰৈ যাব নোৱাৰোনে? Perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. So, when we stop for once, a great silence could break our sadness caused by lack of self understanding and the danger we create for ourselves with destructive forces like war. যেতিয়া আমি মৌন হৈ ৰম তেতিয়া আমি নিজকে বুজিব পাৰিম আৰু গম পাম যে কেনেকৈ আমি সৃষ্টি কৰা যুদ্ধবোৰে আমাক নিজকে ধ্বংস কৰিছে। Perhaps the art can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. The art shows us that even in stillness, like winter season, life continues and returns in spring season. Stopping for a while does not mean death. It can mean rest, healing, and new life. শীতকালত গছৰ পাতবোৰ সৰি যোৱাত গছবোৰ মৃত যেন দেখি কিন্তু বসন্তকালত সেই গছবোৰে ন কুঁহি পাতেৰে পুনৰ ঠন ধৰি উঠে। সেয়ে এবাৰ ৰৈ যোৱাটোৱে মৃত্যু হোৱা নুবুজায়, ই জিৰণি লোৱা, সুস্থ হোৱা বা এক নতুন জীৱনকো বুজায়। Now I will count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. So at the end of the poem, the poet urges the readers again to count to 12 and keep quiet. Then he will leave us to reflect and act peacefully on our own. কবিতাটোৰ শেষত কবিয়ে পঢ়ুৱৈসকলক পুনৰ নীৰৱ হৈ বাৰলৈকে গণনা কৰিব কৈছে আৰু নিজকে জুকিয়াই চাব কৈছে। So in the conclusion, we can say that the poem Keeping Quiet promotes peace, self-awareness and harmony with nature. হাৰমনিত আমি ক'ব পাৰোঁ যে কিপিং কুৱাইট নামৰ কবিতাটোৱে আমাক আত্মবিশ্লেষণৰ দ্বাৰা প্ৰকৃতিৰ লগত শান্তিপূৰ্ণভাৱে বসবাস কৰাৰ পথ দেখুৱাইছে। Now let's discuss the question given in your textbook. First question is what will counting up to 12 and keeping still help us achieve? বাৰলৈকে গণনা কৰি স্থিৰ হৈ থাকিলে আমাৰ কি লাভ হ'ব? Answer is counting up to 12 and keeping still will help us pause our busy lives, reflect on our actions and understand the importance of peace, silence and unity. The second question is do you think the poet advocates total inactivity and death? তোমাৰ মতে কবিয়ে টোটেল ইনএক্টিভিটি মানে একেবাৰে কাম নকৰাটো বুজাইছে নেকি? No, the poet does not advocate total inactivity and death. He only asks us to pause and reflect for a moment. Neruda wants us to take a break from the harmful actions like violence and selfishness. The third question is what is the sadness that the poet refers to in the poem? The answer is the sadness the poet refers to is the result of our constant rush to achieve more, conquer others, than harm nature. People do not understand themselves or live in harmony. And the last question is what symbol from nature does the poet invoke to say that there can be life under apparent stillness? And the answer is the poet uses the example of the earth as a symbol. He says that even when everything on earth seems silent and still, life continues beneath the surface. This shows that stillness is not the same as death, it can be full of life. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল যদি তোমালোকৰ আজি ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ভাল লাগিলে তেতিয়াহ'লে লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ এণ্ড ফ'ল' কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিবা